Hello, welcome to the VCSU Allen Memorial Library website, and in this video we'll be going over how to use the advanced search tool. So by clicking on this tab, we can come to this next advanced search page where we'll have a variety of filters to choose from. For example, in the field box, you can narrow down your search by title, author/creator, subject, and other options. You can also change how specific you want your search to be in the second box. And you can also choose which material types you want to look for. There are archives, audiovisual materials, books, journals, articles, websites, and many other resources that you can find specifically. You can also choose one of 4 languages and the publication date. Lastly, if you look on the left side of the screen, you'll see the filter titled and that is the Boolean. And that is another way to narrow down your search. And I will come to this tab to show you. This page provides a visual for what this tab does. It lets you select and, or, and not from your options. And these Venn diagrams on the right side will help specify or let you visualize what results you will be getting. I feel that the images and the descriptions do a better job of explaining what this search tab does. The rest of these tabs show you other ways that you can specify your search to find more accurate information and research. However, I'll take some extra time to explain the quotations in the search bar and how you can find exact phrases. I will open up another tab and give you some examples of how that works. Going back to our original tab, the advanced search page, I will change the field to author/creator and enter John Green, no quotation marks. And as you can see, we get lots of results, over 7,000. And just from scrolling down, you can see that there is a large variety of results. And some of them are things you might be looking for, like actual book titles or movies. Others are other documents like reviews written by people who are not the author. So now I'm going to put quotation marks around the author's name and click a new search. As you can see, there are far fewer results, just under 600. So you can see that our search is more specific, and most of what we are looking for is related to the author John Green or is written by the author John Green. So now we can be even more specific and add a new filter so that it is exact and it's in quotation marks. And as you can see, not much changes. So now let's say you wanted to look for works specifically written by John Green or specifically made by this author. So we're going to type in Paper Towns. It's a rather famous book that he's written. And if you look at the results, there are only 5 available. So because we have contains and John Green is in quotations, and we've added another search field, Paper Towns, our search is very much limited. So if you were looking for this book, this would be a very quick way to find it. Now let's say you wanted works done by John Green or something with Paper Towns in the title. So now looking at that search, we have literally thousands and thousands of results that pop up. Some of them are related to John Green, some of them are works done by him, others are articles related to Paper Towns, reviews done on them, reviews done on the book, and other things related to those things. So this is the widest net that you can cast when you're looking for information and looking for titles. Now say we want to look for works written by John Green that were not Paper Towns. So we would use the not option and type in Paper Towns. And that search will bring up everything that is written by John Green, excluding Paper Towns. And you can see that there are still several results. However, Paper Towns is not among them because we included that not parameter. Likewise, you could put Paper Towns in the title in the main search and look for titles that do not include John Green as the creator. Therefore, you would still get a large pool of results. However, none of them would be by John Green. However, they could be about paper towns, such as articles and reviews, and other documents and other works of literature. Well, I hope you found this video helpful and effective. And as always, feel free to contact our friendly staff for any of your library needs.